pretty sure image stabilization is on.
Yeah, but still.
Alright, so there's the dam.
This is Parkinson's level. Wow, that is a big dam. I hope we don't come across any other vehicles coming up.
Oh, we will. We will. We just have to figure it out.
What does part-time mean?
Oh, it means I'm in part-time four-wheel drive.
What does that mean?
That's just how this four-wheel drive operates.
Interesting.
If you want to do a handheld on that a little bit, that's okay too. You might be able to get some other shots.
Yeah, well, we're not off-road yet. We're still on-road. And you've got 64 gigs on there?